What are we gonna do? In the jungle? Yoshi? Oh no. He's going to get the deer? I don't think the deer is gonna come out today. Look at the flower. So pretty. See. Wow.
It's like a jungle.
This is a jungle. Don't make no noise.
Go, I see you.
We're in the jungle?
Yeah.
Shh, be quiet. We're looking for the deer. He's not here today.
I think it's coming.
Where?
Deer, deer.
What's there? It's a jungle.
We can go right here.
It's a jungle. Let's go this way. What's that noise? Watch it there. Remember, you never go in there because you could fall. Yoshi cannot fall? Okay. Let's go. Run, the deer's coming. Run. He's going in the
Yoshi,
jungle.
Yoshi.
What? What is it?
Are you sure we can go in the jungle?
Yes, I'm going in the jungle. Wait for me, because I don't know where everybody is. What do you think we're going to do today? What? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. What are you talking about for me? We're in the jungle. No, I'm afraid.
Oh, no.
Run! Run, Yoshi, run! Run!
Oh, no.
Wait. What's happening here? What's happening here? Oh, I can't see it. Where am I? I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting dizzy. Okay, I'm going to hydrate because I have to drink a lot of water because it's very hot. Right, Sienna? Yeah? How about you? Oh, look at Sienna. She's hydrating too. This is so cool. We're hydrating together. Oh, that is so nice. I like it. What are you going to do with Yucky? What are you going to do with Yoshi? You going to give him food? Oh, you're going to put him up in the tree. Oh, I think he's going to fall. You think so? Don't leave me here because I could fall down. All the way down. Oh no. We're here in the jungle. I'm all the way up here in this tree. What? How did I get up here? How did I get up here? I need to get down. I need to get down. I need to get down from this tree. I'm coming down. Okay, guys. See you later. I gotta be going.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye. Mwah.
Goodbye from Yoshi. Goodbye.